Hi guys, it's Michael here from CTFloors, a division of CT Industries. So we're back at our big project, day 7 of prepping. We've scabbled this floor, we have installed guide rails, we have gone mad. We've now got in preparation that is, we've now got the pump installed. We're ready to put our self-compacting concrete down, which is going to be done at a thickness of varying between about 50 millimeters to about 100 millimeters. So that's the variance, and that's why we're doing a self-compacting concrete as well, and not just a normal one, because you're not going to get a vibrator into the 50 mil screen. So yeah, we're ready for the whole thing. Hope the concrete is good. The truck has arrived. We're about to start pumping. The pump's installed, all the stuff is done, so we're ready to go. There's a montage of photos and videos and stuff that we're going to show to you now. Okay, yeah, so the floor is installed. We've done most of the work. All the power floating has been done. It really came out nicely. We've got a lovely flat floor, exactly what was requested of us, and I'm really proud of the team. We worked extremely hard. We put so much into this project, and it was such a success. It's great. So what we're busy doing at the moment is the final finishes, in the sense of taking off the shuttering that's still left, and also cutting expansion joints. So if I can show you guys quickly, where we are now is the power floating floor, perfectly done, and shuttered, or the expansion joints have pretty much been cut. We're just going to clean up, and there you have it. That is us. That's another successful project. So like us, subscribe, do the thing, and we'll see you at our next project.